Is your accounts payable department next level? Would you consider it innovative, agile, or best in class? According to Ardent Partners, 55% of all businesses now perceive their AP function as either very or exceptionally valuable to the organization's operations. Despite the advancements in automation technology, there are still numerous challenges holding AP back. High percentage of exceptions, too much paper, and lengthy invoice payment approval time. These challenges cause companies to lose money, time, and talent. It's time to start looking at the future of AP and discover what is needed to become next level, where a paperless automation solution like MetaViewer becomes integrated with your Microsoft ERP solution. Your inefficient manual invoice processing will be eliminated, and you'll be assured that your documents are read, routed, indexed, and stored correctly and securely. Let's go back to that Ardent Partners report, where they found that 76% of businesses attribute smarter systems to success. 51% of respondents said that deeper and more agile analytics were key for AP department performance. Additionally, 49% said that in order to become a next-level AP department, there must be eradication of menial tactical tasks. New technology, new skill sets, new AP departments. MetaViewer enables you to achieve next level. It's time to benefit your team and your organization as a whole with MetaViewer.